So we're learning about inverse trigonometric functions. And you might say, well, why are we doing this? Well, remember, when we have the sign, like right here, we have the sign of 5 pi over 12, and it equals this decimal approximation. This represents the ratio of those side lengths on the triangle. And this represents the angle, the measure of the angle. Well, sometimes we know the ratios, we know the side lengths, but we don't know the angle. And then with inverse, we would be able to find then that angle, okay? All right, but that's not what we're doing here. They give us a statement, sine of 5 pi over 12 is approximately equal to, that's what this sign is, approximately equal, 0.96593. So I did that on my calculator. I put in sine 5 pi over 12 equals, and I was expecting it to say 0.96593, but I was in degrees, not radians. So don't forget, like if you're in radians, this is in radians, you'd have to put it, make sure your calculator's in radians, okay? All right, but they don't even want us to do that. It says write a relation involving the inverse sign. Okay, so we have, I think they're supposed to be up here there. All right, so we have sine of this angle equals this value here. We're going to flip it then. The inverse sine of this ratio, 96593, is going to be approximately equal to 5 pi over 12. Now we could do that on our calculator as well. It's going to give me a decimal approximation for 5 pi over 12, but you could, on your calculator, you have that button, sine inverse, okay? We'll show you how to use your calculator more in another video, but anyway, this is the answer here. They tell us both the ratio and the angle, and we're just writing it with the inverse function.